In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit special features. Finally, you can tap on simple mode at the bottom. And after tapping on enter simple mode, wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, hit settings again. But this time tap on exit simple mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!